Good morning, dear students. In last class, we just started with the principles of education, that is a unit 1 in fourth year base nursing education subject. And we have seen regarding the meaning of education, definition of education, and also some aims of education. So we'll continue with the topic principles of education, and in that today we will be discussing about functions of education. So the function of education, it is to complete the socialization process. So that is the first function of education. So when the child is entering a school or a college, he is detached from the family and he get more friends in the peer group, teachers and other members of the society. So they start the socialization, and the completion of socialization process is enabled through the education or educational settings. So that's about the first function of education, to complete the socialization process. The second one is to transmit the cultural heritage. So everybody has a cultural background. This cultural background we are trying to acquire in the educational settings or through education, and we will be passing to the next generation through education. So for example, we will be knowing regarding our nation's culture and our history through classes or through educational institutions, and we will be having the records of it, and it will be definitely passed to the next generation also. So that's about to transmit the cultural heritage. Education has an important function, it has an important role in transmitting the cultural heritage. The third function of education is to formation of social personality. This is a continuation of the first point which we have already discussed now. That is a formation of social personality. So, how to become a member in a society or to become a member in a gang, that will be enabled more easily when we are having more amount of interactions in the education institutions, and it will be helping throughout our life. So that's about the formation of social personality, how to become a member in a society. The next one is fourth point or fourth function of education is the reformation of attitude. So some amount of wrong attitude will be changed, and it may be converting into good attitude. This will be happening through a proper education. So that is a fourth function of education, reformation of attitude. The fifth function is education for occupational placement and instrument of livelihood. So the education we are trying to acquire is to get an occupational placement. Definitely that is the purpose of whatever education we are trying to get. So through that occupation, we are trying to earn some amount of money to lead our life. So that is a fifth function of education. We should get some occupational placement to earn some amount of money for our life. The next one is conferring of status. Conferring of status, like status in a society, in our family, in our surrounding, that is a requirement for every individual. So we are trying to get a status in front of others. So this status is also determined by the quality of education which we acquire, the type of education which we have, and the quantity, the amount of education which we have. So these all are the some of the factors which will be determining our status in the society. So that is the sixth function of education, that is conferring of status. The seventh function of education is education encourages the spirit of competition. A healthy competition will be enabled when we have a good education and when we have a good cultural background which we acquired through education. So that's about education encourages the spirit of competition. Next is education trains in skills that are required by the economy. So what are the skills which is required for the present situation so that it is supporting the nation or the institution. So that is, the skills will be acquired more and more when we have more education, and that is also another function of education. The next one is fosters participant democracy. So we know that our nation is a democratic nation, and how to become a good citizenship or good citizen, and how to act positively in a democratic nation. These all things will be more easily done with a proper education. So that is about the next function of education. It fosters participant democracy. A democratic environment can be created when we have a proper education. Education imparts values. So good attitude, the values will be created and it will be inner to the person when we have a good education. That's the next function. Education acts as an integrative force. So this makes the people united, because we have diversity in color, educational backgrounds, the socio-economic status, everything is different. But education keeps everybody in a integrate. It will be helping to integrate everybody together. So when we have education, we can go abroad, we can we can interact with others. So the education is helping people to integrate or to cooperate with each other and to make a unity in each other. So that is about the next function. And another one is values and orientation specific to certain professions are also provided. So the values and the attitude which is required for nursing will be different to another profession, like maybe for a BTech graduate. So here we require some amount of empathy, we require some amount of caring, compassionate, caring approach towards the patient, which is not that much needed in another profession. So when you are attending any education in a particular profession, certain values which is specific to that profession also will be attained by the student. So that is the values and orientation specific to certain professions are also provided through education. So we will be talking openly regarding the compassion, care, etc. in nursing, which is not that much required in other professions. So that is about the functions of education. So we have seen the functions of education: to complete the socialization process, to transmit the cultural heritage, formation of social personality, reformation of attitude, education for occupational placement and instrument of livelihood, conferring of status. Education encourages the spirit of competition. Education trains in skills that are required by the economy and fosters participant democracy. Education imparts values. Education acts as an integrative force. Values and orientation specific to certain professions are also provided. So this is about the functions of education. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.